Okay, finishing up example 17. At your 20th high school reunion, your class decides they're going to establish a scholarship in honor of a teacher that everybody liked. So they want the scholarship to be awarded annually for 10 years, giving each recipient $5,000 towards their education. So how much money do you need to have? So again, you're giving everybody $5,000 toward their education. That means you're pulling that money out of the account on an annual basis. So how much money do you need to have? You are looking for P, the total amount in the account. You're going to want to withdraw $5,000 every year. And you're putting that money in an account that earns 5.25% interest. And you want to do this for 10 years. And again, you're only doing this once a year. So although I'm writing in the divided by 1, hopefully you clearly understand there's no need to actually type divided by 1 on your calculator, since you're just going to get the 0.0525 for that portion. Putting that into your calculator, your class would need to originally deposit $38,144.20 into this account to make that scholarship for 10 years a reality. All right, so let's say that Riley's grandparents left him $200,000 in a trust when they passed away. But they knew that Riley wasn't very responsible. So they set up a trust earning 4.2% interest, which he would be paid every quarter for the next 20 years. Okay, so again, that is a withdraw. That is money coming out of the account that he's going to get every quarter for the next 20 years. So we know the starting amount, that's $200,000. What we don't know is what is that monthly withdrawal amount. How much will that give him every month? Then we have 1 minus our 1 plus our interest rate of 0.042. He's going to get this money every quarter, so that's N is 4, raised to the negative 4 times, and it says they want to do this for the next 20 years. That's what they wanted to set up for him. So divided by 0.042 over 4. And again, we can't just type this all in and assume that that's the amount. This is the number that's being multiplied by W on the right-hand side. When I pound that out on my calculator, I get 53.942 and a bunch of other stuff. Dividing both sides of that equation by the 53.942, it turns out that Riley is going to get $3,707.66 every quarter for the next 20 years. All right, and last but not least with example E, Karen knows she's going to have $500,000 in her account when she retires in 2 years. She wants to be able to take monthly withdrawals. So again, pulling money out of an account for a total of 30 years. If she earns 6% interest, how much can she take out of her account every month? So that starting amount is that $500,000 that she knows she's going to have sitting there. We're looking for that withdraw amount. So 6% interest, we're going to do this monthly, negative 12 times the 30 years that she thinks she's going to be able to pull that money out of her account. And again, just like the last one, we need to work the number on the right-hand side that's being multiplied by W. That should give you 166.791 and a bunch of decimals. Dividing both sides by that 166.791, etc. number, Karen can withdraw $2,997.75 every month for the next 30 years.